Alright guys, I decided to make this quick video on a $600 gaming PC build, and by the way, this is Chrono Plays PC or Chrono Plays Minecraft. It's kind of mixed there, but anyways, so this gaming PC build was kind of a mixture of thoughts for me, really, because I was trying to decide whether I should make it $600 including Windows 7 or $600 not including it, because you could choose a free operating system if you really wanted to. So I kind of decided to go in between and choose like just right smack dab in the middle pretty much. So here, let's get this started. First I chose as the CPU Intel Core i3-3240 3.4 gigahertz dual core. That's $120. It's not that expensive at all. I know it's a dual core and you say it's not meant for gaming PCs, but in my opinion you could upgrade in the future and it works just fine. I mean, I would definitely recommend upgrading if you're going to go and do some more heavy gaming, but for now the i3-3240 is good, especially at that price range. In the motherboard, it's a nice Asus ATX motherboard. It has expandable PCI slots and expandable RAM. Sorry about that. So yeah, it's everything you need for $90. It's got I believe it has SATA 6 as well, so it is a really good motherboard for $90. And here we go. Memory is Corsair Vengeance 8GB. I really like using this RAM. I have it in my computer and it works just fine, does everything you need it to, and it's 8 gigs, so it's plenty for any gaming or anything you're practically going to be doing. I could recommend an upgrade, but 8 gigabytes is pretty much good enough. For the storage, Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 terabyte 7200 RPM, $60. Again, I've had this in my other builds that I've done, and it is the perfect price, and for what you get out of it, it is like amazing. And that's pretty much it. So next we have the video card, and this is basically where I was trying to decide what to do. I was thinking either 650 Ti, 650 Ti Boost, or 660. Now the 660 is 2 gigabytes, and this is the overclocked version, I believe, so it is 1.07 gigahertz, which is plenty fast for anything you're going to be doing. I'm pretty sure it's overclocked or superclocked. Yep, it's superclocked. Okay, so after rebate and everything, it is $170, which is a great price, and that just adds a lot to your computer. You can do pretty much any 1080p gaming with this graphics card, and it should be able to put a good fight with it. So the one game I could see it having a trouble with is Crysis 3, but that's pretty much it for this graphics card. And next we have the case. I have this case. It is great. It was in the other computer that I planned on building, and it's really nice. It looks good, has enough room for everything. Not the best cable management, but that's, I mean, $25 you are getting the most out of for that price. Next we have Cooler Master 500 watt ATX 12 volt. So this is pretty much a $30 power supply, and I really think it works good. I have this in my computer, and I know I've been suggested other things like Corsair 430 watt, which that could work just fine as well, but for this build I just choose 500 watt in case you wanted to throw in an extra graphics card or something like that. Next we have the Asus DVD CD writer. This is just pretty much my standard for any gaming PC build, unless you really want a Blu-ray drive, and that's, I'd suggest that for a higher priced build. But so yeah, pretty much that's it almost. And I like Windows 7 because that is the gamer's choice for operating system basically, and it doesn't have all the problems Windows 8 has, or it's not limited to a certain number of games like Mac OS X. So yeah, I'd pretty much choose Windows 7. And there you have it, guys. My gaming PC build for $600. Hope you like it. If you have suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you have any other suggestions for my channel, like if you want me to add another playlist that I don't have yet, please tell me. I might start a comedy series or something. I don't know. It really just depends on what you guys want. And I will keep up all this technology builds so you know what you could build for a good price. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, and that will be all. See ya.